Alright, just in. Netanyahu, war won't end until God's met. Reminds everyone he led Israel into war. And again, US to Turkey. You can stabilize the region. The news in detail. 3 months ago, Hamas committed a terrible massacre in Ars. The government led by me directed the IDF to go to war to eliminate Hamas, return our hostages, and ensure that Gaza will no longer be a threat to Israel. The war must not be stopped until we achieve all these objectives. We do not give Hamas immunity anywhere, and we are fighting to restore security in both the south and the north. Until then, and for that purpose, you have to put everything aside and continue with joint forces until the complete victory is achieved. In another news, BLINKEN said, "We will focus on the next steps in order not to repeat the October 7 attack. We will talk about what should be done in Gaza and what partners can help in this regard. I sense Turkey's readiness to play a positive and constructive role for the stability of the region. We are examining what we can do to provide maximum protection for civilians in Gaza." Source Al Jazeera. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.